small but useful. Henry the Hedgehog. Henry the Hedgehog, small but useful. Author Veronica Badesta. Illustrator Monica Pirazzi-Matri. Concept and layout Tanya de Brito. Hello! Henry the Hedgehog sleeps throughout the day, hidden in a hole in a trunk. He likes to wander around the woods during the night. As he walks, the 1,000 spines on his body seem to shout, "Don't get near, I can prick you!" However, truth be told, Henry is tired of being alone. He would love to have some friends. A restless and bouncy bunny gets in his way. Henry plucks up his courage and asks him to be his friend. "Have you lost your mind?" says the bunny, who got so scared he almost fainted. "Look at your prickly body, and then look at my soft and beautiful fur. We could never be friends. Go get a comb for your quills and take out the seeds that are tangled up in your spines. You look a mess." Henry returns to his trunk. Before getting into the hole, he shakes his spines, feeling ashamed. "Watch out!" complains a butterfly. "You almost ruined my wings with your spines. And can't you see? You are throwing seeds as if they were bullets." "Forgive me, butterfly. I'll be more careful next time. Would you be my friend?" "Are you crazy? I could never be friends with someone so dull, ugly, and prickly." "What about you? Would you like to be my friend?" Henry asks a bee that is flying non-stop around the trunk, looking for a flower to eat from. "Are you mad?" replies the bee without even stopping. "Can't you see I'm busy? There are almost no flowers left because of this drought. Only lazy animals like you have time to go around making friends and eating insects and slugs." Henry realizes that in the woods, someone is in trouble. He sees the terrified bunny run past, and so he rolls up tight into a prickly hedgehog ball, like he always does when he is afraid. The fox, which was chasing the bunny, runs Henry over. "Ouch, ouch, ouch!" screams the fox, who runs away limping with an injured paw due to the spines. "That fox was about to eat me! You saved my life!" shouts the bunny from a distance. After such an adventure, Henry starts feeling hungry and goes out in search of a tasty slug. Since he is very distracted, he fails to notice a huge spider web hanging from the branches. He tears off the web without noticing. By doing so, he sets free the butterfly that was trapped in the web. "You saved me," says the butterfly, while spreading her multicolored wings. After a long drought, it has finally rained in the woods. Henry discovers, much to his surprise, that underneath his tree some beautiful flowers have bloomed. The hardworking bee flies from one flower to the other, collecting nectar. "You saved my life! All of these flowers grew thanks to the seeds you carried around between your spines. You even stopped the slugs from eating them." Henry wakes up with a start. He can hear music and a lot of cheering coming from outside his house. When he looks out, he can't believe his eyes. The bunny, the butterfly, and the bee have organized a party just across the tree's hole. "Henry, will you be our friend? It would be such an honor," the three of them call out in one breath. The end.